going on in Fairy Tale Forest today, Bear. There sure is, and I think we should join the fun. That's the best idea ever! We can go on an adventure and see what happens. Yeah, or we can visit one of our friends. Oh, Humpty! That's a pretty big crack. It's nothing a little glue can't fix. That was amazing. Oh, I really hope Humpty doesn't fall off his wall. Yes! Hold it right there. That was amazing. Help Jack hop up the beanstalk. That was amazing. Add the ingredients in order to bake some muffins. Oh! Way to go! Catch all of the muffins for Little Red. Yay! Oh! That was amazing. Keep Big Bad away from Humpty. Oh! Well, if anyone can build something out of all this stuff, the three pigs can. Wowee! Humpty! Look out! Oh well, these things happen. There's more to do. Help steer the cart. Help Frog land on the lily pad. That was amazing. Choose rocks for me to jump across. Whee! Move the pie back and forth so Big Bad can't get it. Wowee! Where are you, Frog? We're gonna find you. That was amazing. Use eggs to balance the teeter-totter. Wowee! Touch the porridge to cool it down. Wowee! Put the bricks back. Hurry! That Amazing! Help Goldie balance the rocking chair. Yes! Hold it right there. Woohoo! Plant the magic beans in their matching pots. Way to go! Big Bad can huff and puff all these leaves out of the way. Yes! Bear's family is hungry. Yay! Whee! Sew Little Red's hood back together. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh! Yes! Here we go. Yay! That was amazing. Let's go. Whee!